Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of using DocuSign for legal forms, ensuring that your electronic signatures are legally binding and secure. Let's get started with a step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Create a DocuSign account. To begin, visit the DocuSign website and sign up for an account if you don't have one. You can choose a free trial or one of the subscription plans based on your needs. Once your account is set up, log in to access the platform. Step 2. Upload your legal document. After logging in, click on the New button and select Send an envelope. Next, upload the legal form or document you wish to have signed. DocuSign supports various file formats, including PDF, Word, and more. Step 3. Add recipients. Enter the email addresses of the individuals who need to sign the document. You can also specify their signing order if necessary. DocuSign allows you to add multiple recipients, making it easy to manage collaborative documents. Step 4. Prepare the document for signing. Once you've added the recipients, you will be directed to a document editor where you can add fields for signatures, initials, dates, and other required information. Drag and drop the appropriate fields onto the document to guide your signers. Step 5. Customize your message. In this step, you can add a personalized message to the recipients to explain the purpose of the document or any specific instructions. This adds a professional touch and improves communication. Step 6. Send the document review the envelope to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click the Send button. Your recipients will receive an email notification prompting them to sign the document electronically. Step 7. Signing the document. Recipients can access the document directly through the email link. They will follow the prompts to review and sign the document. Once signed, the document will be automatically updated to indicate that it has been completed. Step 8. Track the signing process. As the sender, you can monitor the signing status in your DocuSign account. You'll receive notifications when the document has been opened and signed. This keeps you informed throughout the process. Step 9. Download or store the signed document. After all parties have signed, you can download the final signed document as a PDF. DocuSign also offers secure cloud storage, allowing you to keep all your documents in one place for future reference. Step 10. Understand the legal validity. DocuSign complies with U.S. e-Sign Act and European eDAS regulations, ensuring that electronic signatures are legally binding. It also provides an audit trail, complete with timestamps and recipient information, which further establishes the authenticity and integrity of the signed document. Using DocuSign for your legal forms not only streamlines the process, but also enhances security and accessibility. Remember to always verify the specific legal requirements depending on your jurisdiction and the type of document you are handling. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you found this tutorial helpful.